Welcome to Manufacturing Discovery Channel. In this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of used aluminum cans and how they are transformed into shiny, new aluminum cans. Let's follow along and learn in detail about the aluminum recycling process, one of the most effective methods to save energy and natural resources. Let's get started. Collection and transportation. Used aluminum cans are collected from households, businesses, and recycling points. After collection, the aluminum cans are transported to the recycling plant. Classification and cleaning. Aluminum cans are sorted to remove impurities and non-aluminum materials. Aluminum cans are washed to remove dirt, food scraps, and labels. Crushing and compacting. Clean aluminum cans are crushed into small pieces for easy handling. The aluminum pieces are then compressed into large blocks to facilitate the smelting process. Melt. Aluminum blocks are put into a high-temperature melting furnace, about 660 degrees Celsius, the melting temperature of aluminum. During this process, remaining impurities are removed to ensure pure aluminum. Casting and shaping. After being melted, liquid aluminum is poured into molds to form aluminum sheets or aluminum billets. The aluminum sheets or aluminum billets are then laminated and cut into aluminum coils. Manufacturing new aluminum cans. The aluminum coils are put into the machine to stamp and shape into new aluminum cans. The new aluminum cans are then washed and prepared for the printing and labeling process.